we've finally picked them up. So we have not only one, but we have two Epson printers, 24-inch. Here we've got the 7900, and then we've got the 7890. So pretty excited about these two machines. Here we're going to convert them both to DTF. So yeah, there they are, ready to be kind of stripped down, gone through and maintained. So that's the cool thing. We're going to, hey look, still got my tag on there. Rock and roll, man. Let me take this off real quick. There we go. So there it is. Hey, what's happening, channel? It's been a while. I apologize, but things have kind of gotten a little hectic, a little busy. Time just gets us, and there's been some things that I've had to prioritize a little bit, kind of taking a step back for a minute to gather some things, to prioritize some things, not only with my own home, but just spiritually and physically. I've actually had to kind of get back to construction just a little bit to try to take care of some things here at the house. But in the process, I do have plenty of videos that have been made. They just haven't been uploaded yet. I haven't had time. But here's the cool thing. We now have 24-inch Epson printers that we're going to be converting to DTF, because big corporate companies are charging extreme rates for these DTF transfers. Now, in my opinion, it doesn't make sense, because DTF is technically the cheapest way to print. And so charging crazy prices to print, is crazy in my opinion. So for me, in order for a business to survive, I decided to go the route of actually buying my own printers and converting these printers. Now, what's going to happen with these printers, guys, is that this is going to be a video about converting these things and maintaining these things. So I'm actually going to go through and show you the process of tearing these down, flushing the lines, cleaning the heads, and I promise you guys that I'm not going to get distracted and not focus in my video. I've seen a lot of videos about people trying to convert these things and show you how to clean these things, and they're just so off topic that you get no information and they don't stick to the point, and it's annoying to me when that happens. It's like, make a video and focus on what you're doing for your audience. That way they get the knowledge that they need and you're not wasting their time. So I'm not here to waste your guys' time. I'm gonna start stripping these down. So what I'm doing today, as a matter of fact, I'm ordering the parts that I need to convert these printers. So here's the cool thing. If any of my fans or subscribers that are here, have a DTF store, and hey, if you want to sponsor some of these builds, reach out to me. I'll give you a shout out, your company. Like I said, we're looking at the flushing material, we're looking at cartridges, we're looking at the DTF ink, we're also looking at transfer film. Do I want to go hot peel? Do I want to go cold peel? Testing phases. We've got APPAREL software we've got to purchase. We've got to go through the heads. We've got to clean the heads, make sure those are in good shape. We've got to flush the lines. With these machines, I'm more than likely going to be going through the damper systems and cleaning out or replacing the damper assembly kits, because they have all the old ink and it's probably, particulated or dried up. So to me, that just makes a lot of sense to do that. So there's going to be a lot involved in this, going through these machines. So I want to be able to make it happen, and just kind of rock and roll with these. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down here real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and rock and roll with these printers. So I just wanted to make a quick short video just to let you know I have not disappeared. I've just kind of been taking care of some things in the background, and it just really had me busy, and I haven't been able to really focus on being able to get my content at least up. It's been recorded, but it's just not up. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is pretty much, showing you how to be able to make some money in this business. We're all tired of getting ripped off by companies, that want to tell you, oh, this is a great deal that you're getting, but really they're the ones getting rich. You're not. You know, you're the one having to pay top dollar to have to go out here and spend all this money in this industry. So what I want to start doing is actually highlighting small business, you know, small businesses that are trying to make things happen for other small businesses. That's just my focus right now. I want to be able to help you, the people. If you've got a small business and, you know, you want to shout out, you know, reach out to me and we'll come to an agreement that's mutual, and, you know, I'll be able to make something happen. So that's what we're doing. I got a couple companies that I'm kind of talking to right now that, you know, as far as DTF transfers go, you know, as soon as I get those transfers, we're going to rock and roll as well. We've got some very cool new leather patches that we've been working on between myself and Caldwell's Customs. You've seen those videos before. If not, leather patches, Caldwell's Customs, check them out. But we've been messing with some UV printed leatherette patches and leather stuff. So you're going to see some of that content coming. I'll just say they're, you know, some of these are some custom license plate leatherette patches we've been messing with. So those are going to be pretty fun, as well as some other leather patches that we mess with. So stay tuned, guys. There's going to be a lot of cool, fun content coming. Subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss a beat. And then if you got any suggestions for videos, hey, drop it in the comments. I'm going to try not to be a copycat influencer. So I don't want to copy what everyone else is doing. You know, that's one thing I see a lot of influencers doing, is as soon as one uploads one thing, they're copying them. Oh, I got to do that. Oh, they're doing TKO transfers. Oh, I got to do TKO transfers. Oh, you're doing super color. I got to go do super color now. You know, I'm not a bandwagon jumper. I never have been. You know, I kind of make content based on what I want to do. But I try to make content that's separate from what everybody else is doing and keep it real. So just letting you know, I'm not going to be a copycat, you know, content creator. That's not me. It's not what I do. I want to show you guys things that you can get into for your business, for yourself, but we're going to keep it fun. And I'm not going to be, again, an influencer or content creator that tells you how to do something. I'm going to show you how to do something. So till then, stay up, guys, and stay tuned. So peace out. Later.